Hey, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back. This is a kind of a little update video I'm about to do on this gun rack that I built for that old flintlock. I put a knife on there and it's being held in place. I don't have a whole lot of room to maneuver my fat self through here, but if this thing will focus in, I like that idea. But it's easy to knock that knife loose like it was on that other display that I had. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of eyeball it, drill a couple of holes, one for this side, one for that one, and I'm going to make the little knife holder permanent. That way I don't have to worry about it falling off either. So anyway, I don't have room for the tripod in here at the moment, so I'll go ahead and do it, bring you back, and let you eyeball it when I get done. But this is a little update on the gun rack, so stay tuned. Alright, I got it, well, if I can get this thing to cooperate with me, there we go. It is now permanently affixed. Alright everyone, it is now permanently affixed. I don't have to worry about it getting knocked loose or anything like that. And then of course I hung my Remington sign back up behind it. So let me turn this lamp off. There we go. And so there's the update. You got the knife on display with the rifle. Kind of cool if you're into that stuff. Alright, so that's the update. You guys have a great week. I gotta get ready for work. See you on the next video.